Hello friends, how are you all? Today our topic is the same operation on both sides of equation. So let's start our topic. The first point of the today topic is you can add on both sides of equation. For example, 2x plus 3 is equal to y is an equation. So add 3 on both sides of equation. So let's say we want to add 3 to this equation, so we will add 3 on both sides of the equation. So let's add it. 2x plus 3, we added this 3 is equal to y plus 3. So we added this 3 and this 3 on both sides of equation. So the equation will become 2x plus 6 and y plus 3 is equal to y plus 3. So we can add any number on both sides of equation. Similarly, you can subtract on both sides of equation. For example, take the same equation. 2x plus 3 is y is an equation. So subtract 3 on both sides of equation. So the equation will become 2x plus 3 minus 3. We subtracted this minus 3 is equal to y, and we subtracted this minus 3. So we subtracted minus 3 on both sides of the equation, and we can do so. So 2x plus 3 minus 3 equal to 0. So 2x plus 0 is equal to y minus 3. So 2x is equal to y minus 3. Similarly, you can multiply on both sides of equation. For example, 2x plus 3 is equal to y is an equation. So multiply 3 on both sides of equation. So we multiplied 3 on both sides of equation. This 3 we multiplied over here, and this 3 over here. So it will become, if we multiply 3 with this, 3 to the 6, so it will become 6 and 3 3 is 9, so it will become 9. Similarly, 3 multiplied by y is equal to 3y. So if a plus b, then m into a plus b is equal to ma plus mb. So it means that when m is multiplied with these two terms in bracket, so m will multiply with both the terms, so that will become ma plus mb. Like this 3 is multiplied with 2x, and this 3 is multiplied with this 3, so it will become 6x plus 9 is equal to 3y. Similarly, you can divide on both sides of equation. For example, 2x plus 3 is equal to y is an equation. So divide 3 on both sides of equation. So this is our equation, 2x plus 3 is equal to y. So we divide on both sides by 3. So 2x plus 3 divided by 3 like this, and y divided by 3 like this. So when we divide, so this 3 divide both the terms. So 2x divided by 3 and 3 divided by 3, and here y divided by 3. If a plus b, then a plus b divided by m is equal to a divided by m and b divided by m. So this means that this m will divide both the terms like here. So we divide these two terms by 3, like 2x divided by 3 plus 3 divided by 3. So from this 4 points, we can conclude that we can add, subtract, multiply, or divide anything on both sides of the equation, and it is allowed by mathematics and mathematics rules. And we do these operations of multiplication, addition, subtraction, and division for simplifying and for solving different kinds of questions. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, so please subscribe our channel for further informative videos like this. Thank you very much.